Welcome to the Ball FloraPlant Fire Station, where we are displaying the brand new Firehouse series for Ball FloraPlant. Firehouse is 9 new verbena colors, and it's a medium basket habit. So you've got this beautiful lavender blue here, a red, new purple fizz. We got the pink here on the bench, white. We've got all the colors you need. There's a light pink, there's a dark purple color. So a full series of colors, including a burgundy. These have shown really well in the garden. So our whole verbena launch this year is focused on bringing that heat performance that you know of EnduraScape into a manageable basket habit with this new Firehouse series. So don't get burned out there with verbena that flush out of color in the summer garden. For you as a grower, if you're finishing it for a later turn, or for the consumer, switch over to Firehouse and make sure you don't get burned by verbena. Thanks for tuning in to BFP TV.